So when you talk about educational disruption, it's disruptive to your fundamental business model, isn't it?
Georgetown has been experimenting in this era. First with an initiative called Technology Enhanced Learning, where we had faculty submit proposals of how they would embrace and leverage technology in the classroom. And then that has gone on to another initiative called Designing the Future University, where now it's not at a course level, it's at a curriculum level. So, you know, a lot of the data shows now that a 3-year BA is imminent. How do we change what we do structurally to be able to support changes in a traditional curriculum where a bachelor's required 4 years to get a bachelor's degree? Can we do it in 3 years? Can we do a 3-year BA, MA? If you think about the structural changes necessary to allow that curriculum to change, that's really where the impact is. A lot of discussion with online learning, adult learners, and the revenue model brought together now with online learning and really catering to that adult learner. This is where the experimentation and the lessons learned really come into play as we start building and shaping the institution of the future. Is the MOOCs showed us what parts of our curriculum were generic and interchangeable, and what parts could be pulled out from the curriculum and delivered at a lower cost, such as Intro to Statistics, Intro to Biology, 102 level courses. So absolutely, I think it will change the business model, and it's forcing us institutions to think about how do we embrace it. And it goes back to those structural changes that we need to make in how we do business, how we think about the business, what curriculum that we offer, which also impacts then the cost of the education as well. How do we enhance the learning experience for our students? How do we personalize that experience? And I think that's where you'll see institutions go more and more, and what will be a differentiator. You know, at one point, maybe technology made you have a competitive advantage. But technology today is table stakes.
Tell us about the link between digital transformation and cultural change inside the organization.
You know, I don't think we can talk about digital transformation without thinking about cultural transformation, because I believe they go hand in hand. We leveraged these digital disruptors that our students were demanding, and we were bringing them into the fold as well in our modernization strategy by delivering a mobile platform, and then figuring out where we engage with our students. So not making those decisions in a vacuum, but embracing our stakeholder community and our students to help us figure out what is important to you on these mobile platforms. We have very strong academic partners, so technology cannot do this alone. We're a partner, we're an enabler.